Hey guys, my name is Akhil and welcome to YouTube channel btech Career Guide. Okay, so in this video we're gonna see the same question, which is a typing distance, which was asked by the HackerRank for the SGE internship for 2025 year. Okay, let's go to our video section. And where is this? So here you go with this typing test HackerRank. So I'll be opening this solution and then my views on current students. I'll be pausing this video. Okay. Relax. Okay. So this is the one question which the Akarank have asked. Okay. So the question which will be going in this manner. Where is the question pics? See, this is the first batch who are the first batch of this Akarank 2025 test. I've got this question, this particular question, where the keyboard is only of alphabets. Okay, from Z to from A to Z, the only alphabets and few spaces. Okay, and the next set of batch got alphanumeric. They got numbers as well as the alphabets and spaces also in the keyboard. Now most of the people what they're thinking is like, I have posted the solution for one type of question which the question which was asked for the batch one. I was aware of that question, but I wasn't aware of the next batch student where the question has been modified by the hacker rank itself. Okay, so I'll be explaining you what the question they have asked. Okay, don't worry, just relax, watch the video till the end to get the solution. Okay, so let's see the below comments first of all. Here you go. Thank for solution, thank you so much, and indentation error. So basically we have addressed everything. Yeah, I have addressed everything, every comment on this video. Like it's around 10k views. I'm happy for that. And it's 2.37 subscribers. That's very good. We are increasing slowly day by day. Okay, and one thing. So in this video I have posted the solution which where you can find at the end of the video. But in the next video, which I told, this is not the actual solution, which means that I have overrated the last solution by replacing result not equal to 163 else 161. That's not the correct way to do. The later, in the next video, the next following of video on the same hacker rank test, what I did was I have posted the actual solution. This is the actual solution. What's the difference between these two? In the keyboard, I have introduced the spaces. For Z you have space, and after M you have two spaces, and after L you have one space. Okay, so that's the keyboard image that we have seen. Once we go here, so that's the keyboard, right? But when I posted this first solution, I neglected the spaces. That's why I resulted in one of the that's why I resulted in failing one test case. Okay, so what I did was, in the next video, my following up video, I have included the spaces where each of the people who have written this test have successfully executed the code. I confidently say that because I received lot of messages in my Instagram. Thank you so much for the solutions and stuff. And people have got the code from the description box. Okay, that's fine. Those who are able to understand the code and write, that's good. And there are few people who didn't understand which language I've used. Okay, the which coding language I have used. So what they did was they opened this Java compiler, they selected Java, and they're writing this Python script. How does it work, man? How does it work? It doesn't work, right? See, when you dive into this CSC software kind of thing, you need to familiarize it with different languages. Okay, so initially you'll be learning C, then Java, and then Python. Okay, so by few students like us, we'll be starting with Python, and then C, and then Java. Okay, and then C plus plus. So it differs from so and so colleges, it differs from entire colleges. Okay, but when you look at that certain code, so see, in case if I don't know this logic, in case if I don't know what kind of language it is used, so what I do is like I simply go to Google and search what kind of language it is. Google replies some sort of I can have used some sort of language which it is called as Python language. In case if this code has written in Java, then the compiler will be giving like then the Google will be giving it as a Java because it has a public static void main. And this function, this code doesn't have anything, which means like the Google will be interpreting like it's a Python script. Okay, you need to be in a position to understand which language I'm using, which programming language I'm using. then only you'll be in a position to understand how to write the code, how to get the solution, how to get the output, and how to debug the code also. Okay, hope you're understanding. Okay, so my agenda for this video is mainly to tell two things. HackerRank have modified this question. Okay, the question which was asked for the batch one people, for the certain people, for example, if you consider 1,000 people for batch one, for batch 1,000 people, all of them got one same question, which is a typing test, which I explained in this video. This video, the entire question. So what is question from start to end? Okay, so this is the first question they have asked, and then for the next batch they have modified this logic. Sorry, they have modified this entire question. Okay, not entire the question, just the keyboard layout they are modified. Same logic works, same logic, that nothing you need to do. In case if you understand my video, my explanation, you'll be in a position to write the code. Very simple, as simple as that. Okay, so now let us see the first old question. Okay, so this is the old question they have asked. So this is the keyboard, just you need to find the distances between each letter. Okay, and then here you go, for allow it is 18, and this is the function definition, and for the one test case failed, and so just wrapping it up. Okay, so this is the code for the first one, right? So let me open my favorite pad, exam clut, CLIUTRAW, just to make sure you understand everything. That's it, nothing major. Where is HackerRank? So this is a okay. Let me delete this and let me go into this video. I think I should have this video picture also. Where it is? Oh, nice. Did I miss it anywhere? Okay. So let it be. Let it be. So don't worry, no worries. Just let me go here. Mm, I think I have written the code. Okay. Let it be. I think I have showed somewhere. Okay. So what I do, I'll just take a screenshot of it. Tadan, tadan, tadan. Okay. Copying my same code. Don't worry. In case if it is blur 11, 12, and it should be 12. That's fine. And then copy, paste. So this is the first code for the first question. So for this question, where they have asked the keyboard of uh, number of rows 3 only contains spaces and alphabets. For this code, for this question, the logic should be this. So this is the logic that you need to write. Okay, only this from line number 2 to line number 19. So that's the only code you need to write. Okay, in case if you write anything apart from this logic, you really test case won't pass. Okay, so that's the code you need to write. Now Akil, what you want to tell us? Now I want to tell you is like they have modified the question. The modified question looks in this format. Strange, right? Okay, let me keep it in a separate loop, separate thing. Where is this image? So left side, what you are seeing is the first question. First, initially for the batch one people, they have asked this question, and the next batch two people, they have asked this question. Just understand the image. Okay, what is happening is, for the first image they have used all alphabets. For the second image they have used numeric alphabets, star, and then space. Okay, fine. And here you see the robot starts at q. Okay, they're saying the robot starts at q, so this is the first place that the robot start. Here you see the the initial robot position is at the blue key with a star. So this is a star mark, right? So that's the point where the robot will start. Okay. Hope you are getting what I'm telling, right? So that's the point where you need to start. Okay. For for example, here example they have given QZ. Okay. For initially it will be traveling it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, and in case if you consider this, it will be 9. Okay, done, right? So whatever you do, so in which way you go, the initial part should start from blue star in the updated question. Okay, in the updated question it should start from blue star, but in the first question which they have asked initially, it should start from the letter Q. Okay, let me close this first question. So we are not going to discuss about that, we are just going to discuss about this question. Okay, which is the latest question. Okay, assuming a keyboard, excuse me, just ate all this stuff outside and came. Typing keyboard robot, and here you can watch the video. The initial robot position is at the blue key with a star. Pressing any key on the keyboard generate the corresponding uppercase letter or the number. Fine, because we have all the numbers, all the alphabets, spaces, and stuff. And the word used is fine. Let me go to the next step. Here you see, assuming keyboard typing robot from so and so, and we given so that we already did. So given a string with only uppercase letters and numbers, and return the total distance traveled by the robot. The robot can move only left, right, top, bottom, left, right, top, bottom. It can't move diagonally. It can't move diagonally. Right? Fine. The word QZ. Okay. Let me open this keyboard images. Images. Let me grab this. Copy image. Paste it here. See? Okay. Let me put this and right, right. This is the keyboard. Oh, we don't have star, right? So where is the star? In between G and H we have star. So in between G and H, let us mark one star. So consider that dot as a star. Okay. Uh, right. Okay. Nice. 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 Consider that a dot as a star. So for the first string which they have given is QZ. Let me go into this format and Latin. So first they have given the word QZ. Okay. Now what they are saying is like, so what's the distance in case if you travel from Q and Z? Okay. First we need to travel from star because star is the first thing, right? So let me go from star. Okay. I think it's better I can explain in this image only rather than taking another keyboard. Mm. So this is the image, right? Okay. So they are asking you to find us the QZ distance. Okay. Now here we are at the star position. Oh, I need to just this opacity and then set this. First I take rubber. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hey. Okay. So we are at the star position first. Initially, we are at the star position. Uh, uh, uh. Hey, initially I should do somewhat. This marker. Okay. Oh, I think this one. This is better. Okay. So we are at the star symbol. Now they are asking us to find the distance of Q and Z. First, we are at the star symbol, right? First, we need to travel to Q. There is Q on the top one. So we need to traverse one bit. Okay. One step, two step, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So from start to Q, we got 6 steps. Okay. How many sticks? Um, Where is this small q? We have taken 6 steps. Really, I fed up sometimes because I forgot how to do all this before. Mm, Let me go into this little one, and then size small is fine. Okay. So for q we got 6 steps. Again from q we need to travel to z. How we can travel to z in how many steps? And one thing which we have noted is we can't go diagonally. We can go either down, top, right, left, top, bottom. So north, west, south, east. Okay, no diagonal. So now we are at the position q. So now we are at the position q, right? So where is this marker? Let me go to the screen. We are at the position q. How many steps that we require to travel from q to z? So 1, 2, and 3. So at 3 position we have at the letter z. So total how many steps did we came across? Total 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 steps. Okay, till z 3 steps. Okay, so total q plus 3, which means 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 steps. So that's the solution, right? So total 9 is the output. Okay, so this is the output that we have written, that we have got. So let us go to the image. Here you see from start to q is 6 steps, from q to z is 3 steps, because that's the result, right? So we can go down, we can go left, we can go right, and we came down. So we got 3 steps. So total 9. Hope you understand what I'm explaining. Okay. Mm-mm. Then this function definition get distance in the editor below. Function parameter string of words, string of type is robot of arm. Arm should be the input, and then you return the integer, the distance traveled. Okay, and then you see the for qa the output should be 7. So q are the character 7, the robot is q already, so moving a takes 1 step. Okay, already we came across 6 steps, right? From q to 1 is takes 1 step. Is allow 1 2 3. Okay, so let me go that and take it is, which is allow gllo 1 2 3. Okay, let me make nice font size. So this is a string that they have given, so we need to, as we know, we need to travel from star symbol, which here this is the star symbol for me. So what I do, I'll change the color. From here I need to move to h, is the first letter. So I need to move to h. From start to h, it only take 1 step. Okay, so from start to h the number of steps required is 1. Okay, done. And then next step, next one, which is e. For e we need to move to, okay, so let me grab another picture. I think it won't work. Let me remove this and let me erase this. Okay, okay, right, fine. Let me take this image. Okay, don't worry, it's all same. Okay, hr, and then let me take this picture itself, because in that keyboard all the words are jumbled. Okay, so here's the image, and we have started from star and we came to h, which only take 1 step. And then from h we need to go to e. Okay, so from h we need to go to e. So the number of steps required are, so we are at the position h. Okay, so we are at the position h, from which we need to go to e. How many steps does we required? 1 2 3 4 and 5. See, in this manner if you go, it takes 5 steps. Or else if you go in this manner, 1 2 3 4 5. See, anyway, any direction you go, it took 5 steps for reaching e from h. Okay, now what I do, I'll write it here like it taken 5 steps. Okay, done with that. And then next from e to e we need to travel till l. Okay, so let me count the number of steps from that. So we are at position e now. We're at the position e as of now. So from me we need to travel till l. Okay, so let us count the number of steps. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it took 8 steps to reach l. If you go in that direction, Or else if you want to go in this direction, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in any direction you go, it took 8 steps to reach L. Okay, so let me write it here. So it took me 8 steps to reach from E to L. Okay, next from L to, we need to reach again L, because HELLO, so they are double L. So to reach the same letter, it only takes 0 steps. No step is required, 0 steps. I can directly write it. And then from O, and then from L we need to reach O. So L we need to reach O. So let us count the number of steps. So we are at the position L now. Okay, we are at here. So we need to go to L. Sorry, we need to go to O. So the number of positions are, number of jumps required are 1 and 2. If you go in this manner, 1 and 2. So just 2 steps are required to want to go to letter O. Okay, so only 2 steps. Fine. And then next O, from O we need to reach 1. So from O we need to reach 1. So let us count the number of steps. Okay, we are at the position. Here we are at O. So to reach 1, number of steps required are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 steps are required to reach 1 from letter O. Or else in case if you want to go in this direction, let us count also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So anywhere you, any direction you go, it took 9 steps. Okay. So 9 steps to reach from O to 1, marked. And then from 1 to we need to reach 2. So from 1 we need to reach 2. How many steps does it require, man? It just required 1 step, because from 1 we are at position 1. Okay, so we need to go to position 2, which required only 1 step. And then from 2 you need to reach 3, which required only 1 step again. So I can directly write it as 1. And then from 2 to 3 it requires 1 step. Okay, so all done, string tracing is done. So let us count the total. 5 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 9 plus 1, 10. This 10. And then this 26. Wait, let me count it again. Sorry, I'm very bad. Let me copy this. 26. See, 26 is the answer. And sorry, I didn't count the first one. So this is okay. So this is the first thing, right? Okay, I didn't count this one, which is 1 plus 1. Okay, so let me copy this entire thing. So let us count the entire total. So total is 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 equal to, so let us do the basic math. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and then this 10, 9 plus 1, 10. So here 20 and 26 and 27. Okay, so for this string we got the result as 27. Okay, so for allow 1 2 3, which is 27, right? Fine, so don't get shocked now. See, in this particular test case they have given the solution is 24. Okay, but we got the result as 27. So what is the problem is, like, they have given the test case wrong. Don't worry, so they have given the test case wrong. So as we trace here, you can see, let me keep in this manner. They are saying the start from start from star and move to h, it takes only 1 step. That's fine. And move to e, it takes distance 4. So if we go to move, if we have moved to e, it took 5 steps for us. Okay, so from h, if you want to move to e, 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3 4 5. So it took 5 steps for us. Okay, and then some for letter A, letter L, they have taken the distance 7, but we have got distance 8. So what they are doing is, like, they are neglecting the last space, which is incorrect. Okay, according to all the test cases and the previous question. Okay, so this particular test case is incorrect. I think there is a grammatical mistake or somewhat happened. So that is not what we required. So don't get confused if you get 27 as the output, especially when you write code. Okay. And one thing, and there is this is funny, when I was helping this program to one of our group member, he told me like this is getting 27. I told just write the code which I have given. Okay. And then he have written and all test cases are passed shortly. So what is happening is like they have given the questions which is, when you in this image they have given the test case wrong, but in actual test cases it is passing. Okay. Don't get confused. Okay, if you get 27 also, that's fine, because in inbuilt test cases it's getting passed. Okay, so you know the logic, you know the solution also, so how it works and everything. Okay, so don't get confused. So this is the entire trace of the text. And now what we need to do, so this is the code. See, for qz we need to get the solution as 9, and then for qa we need to get solution as 7, and distance allow we will be getting 27, but they have given 24. Okay, that's also fine, because you need to write this code to get the test cases pass. Okay, so what is the difference between the previous one and this one? Let me open this previous one. Not this. Okay, let me go to these videos. Mm-mm-mm. So this is the previous thing. So let me do it a double screen thing. Mm. Now you see the entire code is same. Why am I telling is like, see, in the first image, you see the keyboard layout is different. Where is this keyboard? So this is the first question which was asked for the batch one people. So this is the keyboard they are given. So we need to replicate this keyboard. Where is this? So this keyboard in this, in the code. Okay. So from Q2 and this space as in the image, this image. But later when they have modified the question, okay. So they have modified the question to give they modify the question in this keyboard format. Okay. So if there are four rows and so and so columns. So we also replicate all this keyboard here. And then in the first question they have told the starting initial robot will be position at q. So that's why we have taken the initial position as set q. Okay, initial position is equal to set of q. But in the next question what they have told, the initial position is at star. Okay, so that's why we have included this initial position as star from here. And then everything, every logic is same. Okay, every step is same, every each and everything is same. Only modified thing is this keyboard thing and then the star thing. Okay, this star, this 13th line, and then this keyboard is the only thing that has modified in this code. Okay, so that I want to make you clear before you dive into this coding and all. And one thing, so that's the end of the video. So that's I want, this is what I want to tell you. So if you, in case if you get this second question, if you were in the batch 2, don't write the video which I post on the YouTube. Okay, so use this code. Okay, use this code to write, so that you get all the test cases passed. And one more glitch is like, the front end, the description which they have given for the question 1 is wrong for the test case 3. The answer should be 27, and that answer will be executed when you run the test cases. When you click on all run, it get passed. Okay, so I have seen it in live, so I'm telling. Okay, I'm that much confident that this code works. Okay, so we do help people by online. Okay, connecting with each other. So I'm confidently say that this code will work for all the test cases. Okay, don't worry in case if you trace if you get 27. Okay, but actual test cases are passing in the backend. So that's the thing. They are in the description they have given it is wrong, but in front end they have given it correct. So I'll be giving this code in the description box. Do check out, and in case if you are from the batch 2 people, just write this code to get all the test cases passed. Okay, let me summarize. So for QZ we got the output 9, for QA we got the output 7, and then allo we got output 27. Okay, that's fine. So this is a code that you need to write. You can pause the video here. And one thing, so many guys ask me like, in case if I given the code, they're writing all these things also. It's not required, guys. This is not required, and this function definition is not required. That it will be given in the in the compiler itself. Okay, the only thing you need to write is from the keyboard to result. okay, with proper indentation how it is. So how I have written the code, so in that particular format only you should write the code. Okay, the Python is all about indentation. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'll be giving this code in the description box. Do check out and then understand the code. Okay, don't worry in case if you get 27. Okay, that's the actual test case. You'll be getting passed in the when you click on run test cases. Okay, so I'll be wrapping up it here, and in case if you any doubts, just comment in the description box, or you can directly ping me on my Instagram. So I'll be available on my Instagram also 24/7. Okay, let me go to my channel. Taran, taran, taran. So these are the ways that you can contact me. Okay, let it load. So this is Instagram page, you can directly contact me there, or you can directly text me on my LinkedIn, or you can join. Oh, you can join in our Telegram channel to get latest job updates and all. So that's in this video, guys. Let's catch up in another video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.